Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. In this video, we're taking a close look at Hey Communications, an internet service provider specializing in connecting underserved communities. We'll explore their offerings, performance, and overall value. You can find helpful links to their services in the description below. Hey Communications is dedicated to providing reliable internet solutions, particularly in rural and remote areas often overlooked by larger providers. They cater to a diverse range of users, from casual browsers to those requiring bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming and online gaming. A variety of plans are available to suit different needs and budgets. A key strength of Hey Communications lies in their fiber optic network, which delivers fast and stable connections, even with multiple devices operating simultaneously. In areas where fiber isn't feasible, they offer fixed wireless internet, a viable alternative for customers unable to access fiber optic infrastructure. This commitment to providing options makes them a valuable resource for individuals, families, and small businesses seeking dependable connectivity in areas with limited or unreliable choices. Exceptional customer support is another hallmark of Hey Communications. They are known for their responsiveness and understanding of the specific needs of their local customer base. This personalized support is a significant advantage for users who might experience occasional connectivity challenges. Furthermore, their pricing is competitive, with various packages tailored to meet a wide range of usage requirements. For those who rely on the internet for work or education, high-speed plans are available to ensure smooth video conferencing and efficient remote work functionality. Beyond providing reliable service, Hey Communications demonstrates a commitment to community development. They actively work to improve internet infrastructure in rural areas, striving to bring high-quality service to underserved communities. This dedication to bridging the digital divide makes them a noteworthy provider for those in remote locations seeking fast, reliable, and affordable internet access. In conclusion, Hey Communications distinguishes itself through its high-quality service, exceptional customer support, and commitment to serving rural communities. If you're searching for a dependable internet provider, particularly in a more remote area, Hey Communications is definitely worth exploring. For more detailed information on their plans and pricing, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you've had any experience with Hey Communications, we encourage you to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section.